In this video, we'll see how the 2019 Pan Chicken champion, Kerisa, juggles her cookshop in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, cooking up amazing Jamaican style dishes. Then, from there to the streets, where she'll be serving up amazing jerk chicken, succulent jerk pork, and soup to her customers. I am Mick, a full-time eater, and this is Yard Life's Good.
I get the earnet on because the earnet is a must. Crazy vibes. Get the earnet fitted the right way, you know. Heading inside the kitchen now. Almost 10 o'clock. Currently breakfast session. I will see some local breakfast at morning. So see dumpling and fried soup from this one. Nice beans over here, so like some baked bean with saltfish and all of that, and salt mackerel here. Ready to eat. Oh, Lord. Oh, nice. Look at the people, I'm specialist to the fried dumpling. I love it. Wow.
Yes, but you want me see it. Wanna dip here, don't Yes.
You promise to appear.
So yesterday food I then green.
Yes, ma'am.
I fire shot in here.
No, don't.
No, not so you end up still having a promise from Monday. We get
What
here.
people want
You want the green? They want the green one?
No, me for breakfast. Thank you.
Teach girl the green one, make she care.
Girl, thank you. How much
Spur chicken attempting to try. Spur chicken so tempting to try. One feel like I'm going to some of this spur chicken. Yes, man. Boy, I could have come out here when I tried the fried dumpling. It looked so tempting. I fought for the stew peas because I heard that stew peas was going to be on the menu and think. But could have go in there and see all of this curry chicken. This smells so good in that little space as pack. That intense smell of all these delicious cooking up. All of that baked bean, that cabbage, that salt mackerel, and plus this curry chicken right here. So look on this man. Jeez, look vibrant. So we have to try some of this curry chicken with Miss Girlie's fried dumpling. Girlie's fried chicken. Soft. This reminds me of festival. This is not even a dumpling anymore. It's like festival. Soft. Yo, this gravy powerful. That spice just start cooking. That curry gravy spice just start kicking just now. So I go for one more. I have to go for one more this dumpling. This is no joke. For real. You need to come try them fried dumpling. I fought for the stew peas on the lunch session. But this breakfast I kicked. I have to try one more fried dumpling. Well, I'll just go inside and get one more dumpling. This is no joke. This is literally no joke. Just looking at this, you can just squeeze it and no grease at all. Literally dry, no grease, and at the same time so moist. As I get a bite out of it, and this is forward from out of the pot, so it's well hot. This is well hot. And dumpling so nice. Forgot about the curry chicken. Well cooked now and flavorful. Get some Irish now that well soft and nice and charred. All of that scallion, all of that greenery. It's them there. It's them there. Pure goodness. No joke. Oh yeah. Smooth and nice, even the breast part of the meat. It's literally just melt when you mouth with this dumpling. Oh God, man. This is a good way to kickstart the morning. No joke. Kerisa is crazy on the street. That's crazy on the inside. Yeah, man. No joke. We are going to go down into that more. Look more from this, not the stew piece. Oh, the vibe. This place is rampacked every morning. People pulling up just forward, and I tell you the amount of people just jamming up in this place to come get them breakfast. Oh God. That's the vibe. Look who wants. Wow, they're on the last dose of curry. It's amazing. No joke. This is some really good curry chicken cooking. Yeah, man. Some real good curry chicken cooking. Right back inside.
Ooh, is that the stew piece pot?
Yeah.
Nice. Rice pot over here. So it's that the famous girlie rice and peas. Oh, yes, man. This is the vibe inside, man. So today we're getting some stewed pork. Also with the stew peas, we're getting some stew beef, some fried chicken after the pan. You know when it comes to Jamaican and the menu, fried chicken after the pan, that's the vibe. So the stew beef over there, and the stew peas, and the stew pork. Yes, stew today. Stew beef. Yeah, man. Some broccoli leaf. Pork in the pot. Yeah, man. Ooh, smell the garlic. Ooh. This is unique and different. This is some browning going on that, and also some garlic. Crazy as that pot over lift up that garlic scent just slap me. Jeez, the rice pot coming on nice. These two scotchy and this one bubbling at the heat. Oh yeah.
I just drop the beef in there. So this is the beef and the peas.
Nice. Oh, so it's not just pigtail and the stew piece. Oh, whoa.
Sometimes I put chicken foot in there because persons ask.
As in three meat?
Yeah.
Whoa. Nice. So the pigtail are going to start off now.
Yeah. This is the pork.
Nice.
That is the beef over there.
So beef are going. Oh, yeah, man. What, the whole stove, all of the stove loaded with pure pots and stuff on that. Pure pots and every pot active.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
I'm gonna mix it and everybody like the breasty part. So I'm gonna just cut up the whole chicken.
Nice. Oh, so you give them a touch of the leg and everything in the same way.
And
Wow.
some people have them bone.
You say no one about it? Go buy it up for them.
Cut the stuff for this. Season that. That feed.
But you know I'm on your nose though.
We don't want any for today.
Oh, ton loads. Boy, this is some real good old country cooking right here. Look at that ton load of seasoning for both pot, the beef pot and the pork pot. Pepper them on. Jeez. Pepper them a swim. That is a must, you know. The spice, you know? Yes,
Right.
man. Yeah, man.
That is the pork right there.
Nice. Oh, this looks real good. This looks real good. That part looks real good. On that, man. There's a soup piece pot coming on. Beef and peas.
Yeah, and I put in the coconut milk now.
Ah,
Blend the
nice.
coconut with that.
Nice.
So I have some dairy. And I put in the fish dry now.
Oh, yeah. Rich coconut milk. Hope you guys paying attention, you know, that is just natural coconut milk right here. Yeah, man, no joke.
Add the sweet and sour.
Oh, nice. You're gonna add some pineapple to this. Oh, this looks so good. Yeah, man. Just some pineapple, so the carrots, the onion, sweet pepper. Oh, yeah. Nice. Good old fried chicken. Yeah, man. Good old fried chicken over that side. Place up under the heat. Golden chicken.
Me like use the 2 color pepper, some 2 color pepper. They have it really.
Oh, you say like have the 2 color them one time?
Yeah.
Alright? Nothing wrong with that. One green, one yellow, but can't go wrong with the pepper. That is a must.
So put in the spinach as soon as it start boil up properly.
Yes, so spinach are the last thing I got to add to it.
Yeah.
Nice. Just let it cook down. And that is it. Oh. Yeah, man.
And another 2-3 minutes.
Alright. Ah. Nice. stew beef. Everything I come down to par now. Yeah, man.
So this just have a simmer down.
Alright. Yeah, man, inside, I remember we're going outside also. We're going to capture some truck on the outside. That's the part.
Ready?
Yeah, man, ready.
And it really again a bit.
Nice.
You're gonna get the body on it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, let me tell you, it is no joke inside of them places. You have to definitely have to appreciate all of these females inside of these places because it's not easy for them in these places cooking all of them good food in the heat. But they're here cooking up these good food, bringing on the food and the culture to all over the world because a lot of people they're here in Jamaica, but a lot of people stop here from all over the world. You understand? So this is the vibe that always here sharing the love and the vibe and the culture, and you have to appreciate them kind of female there in the heat. That's the vibe. Yeah, man. So, you ready? I'm not ready yet.
Ready to go.
Ready? Oh, you're ready. Oh, it is ready.
I'm gonna share 2 stew pieces with the pancake back.
Ah, nice.
Stew peas ready.
Me too sending them. Try and just me more.
No, and that's the food to go up now. Share 3 food now and you can get in it.
These are going out. Nice. And this is an everyday thing. You have to do this every day for you. These are people who are sending them out. Oh, nice. That's the vibe. Oh yeah, man. This is the vibe. This is the vibe. Right here. So I have a little bit of the white rice. I also got a little bit of the rice and peas right here. You can see it mixed together. All of that blending together. And we got a piece of chicken. I will come out for the stew peas, which is right here. And also we get some of the stew beef. crazy vibes. And some of this steamed veg. This consists of the string bean and the carrot and the cabbage. Well, steamed and thick. Crazy vibes here in St. Thomas. It's so crazy. She actually manage the inside and the outside, because during the week she's inside the kitchen, and on the weekend she's still inside the kitchen even on the weekends, but she head out on the streets go do her jerking and thing, and I tell you, it's so crazy. This is some real authentic vibes, and she in the kitchen all busy, and it's just two of them inside, and I tell you, them a move so crazy. And would have I actually met her at St. Thomas Jerk Fest, and I say, I have to come try some real authentic cooking, not just jerking, but definitely I go try out her jerk chicken on the street. But we did have a forward, come see what she had prepared inside of the kitchen, and crazy vibes. Yeah man, we are going at the steam veg first. She tell me, say, I'm gonna love this. It's crispy. Crispy, crunchy. All of that cabbage, all of that carrot, you get in that crunch. Whoa, this is the vibe for real. That string bean. Not sure the seasoning what she pour over that just now, but I tell her, it's literally not steam out soft. Oh yeah, nice. Crazy. I go down to this 2 piece. It's a nice pigtail right here. Oh god, it's been a while since I had pigtail. And she tell me say that I could dip on the menu. I say yes. And pigtail and the beef. Oh yeah. Sometimes chicken foot is added to this. Oh god. That salty taste just can't get no better than that. And also the spinach. Look at this. Oh yeah. Yo, the flavor of this. Don't worry, this is just a snippet. This is just a small amount for the camera, because I have to leave with some of this pigtail. Crazy vibes. It's been a while since I have some of this. Oh god. Yo, the salt, you just can't get no better, and this always bring back memories every time that taste, that salty taste. Oh go down to some white rice. Summertime in Jamaica place is fully hot. This is amazing. White rice is amazing. You literally taste that coconut milk, because this actually steamed in a coconut milk. Definitely getting that coconut milk. And of course, you can't. At every restaurant in Jamaica, fried chicken is a must on the menu. After your fried chicken, that is a must. Fried chicken is just fried chicken. A lot of times, the texture don't really change that much, but the taste can change because of the seasonings what every other restaurant you use. You understand? So the taste can change, but the fried chicken is just fried chicken. But you cannot go come in a St. Thomas, come try food without trying some fried chicken. I think this will be my second time trying fried chicken in St. Thomas. Yeah man. Exactly what I just said. The taste, the seasoning that every restaurant use always give you a difference. in the taste. Some good old fried chicken, St. Thomas fried chicken. Some good old St. Thomas fried chicken. And after we eat all of this, we're heading out on the street. I'm gonna try jerk. Yeah, definitely I'm gonna try jerk. Also, I have to try a jerk. Go down to this stew piece. This stew beef. So I just go in the pot with some brown and sprinkle over this. Definitely chewy. Oh, that spice are kicking. That spice are kicking. Yeah, man, we see the pepper inside of that, even inside of this stew pork. No, she not play with her pepper, and she love to use the green and the yellow pepper at one time. That pepper burn more. Well, this is some good vibe. Some crazy food right here. Authentic food. I remember I was heading outside because she had to flip them jerk pan and I have to try some of that jerk. That's the vibe. Yo, even this rice is amazing. Even the rice is amazing. I tell you. So definitely, if you're not forward in a St. Thomas, it's definitely stopping up in a Morant Bay. Right across from the Rubies, just outside Boba Plaza. Just checking out this plaza, you'll find Girlie's cuisine. Don't play cooking around it. Yeah, man. Great vibes. Food done. Boy, I rub off the whole of the food and I forgot back for more of the stew piece. The stew piece is no joke. The stew piece is no joke, for real. Just go back for some more. See that everything done. I have to go back for more stew piece. Tell them so we can't leave and when I eat a little more of that stew piece. It's no joke, man. Crazy vibes here in St. Thomas, man. Girlie's cuisine. And just forward, come try them food. And don't worry, get it. Oh God, man. Oh God. That salty flavor kicking. You see, my stew peas have a traditional taste, and that's that salty taste. It's not fresh. Not fresh. The vibes. It's a big tail leaf. And I forgot going some more, man. No joke. Yeah, man. Girlie's cuisine. Skin. Alright, go for spoon and come there. We want to see it up and move around in that pot there. Yes, sir. From out of the shop to the street.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man. You said this is the cow skin. What's mixed with cow skin now?
Cow skin, cow head.
Cow skin, cow head.
What? It's a tribe.
One piece of tripe in it too.
Yeah.
And the cow food? Oh, almost every part of the cow inside.
Is there a mixture?
Yeah.
So I just buy the mixture.
Nice. Nice. This look amazing. Whoa. Boy, when soup rich. Yeah man, this is not poor soup, this is some rich soup right there. So rich. Just look at the color of that. It's so vibrant and everything, all of the part of the cow, them that the cow head, the cow foot, the skin. Crazy, yeah man. I famous bucket them, you know. I them every season chicken dropping on, not true? Bucket are famous, you know. Oh, jeez. Oh, girlie, these smell good. I'm not telling a lie, these smell real good. Can't wait to taste how these actually taste. Yeah man. Slow cooking. Good on that man. Natural. You see all of them scallion, for them big scallion, man. Cheese and peas. And we can see some of them even under the skins. Most of them season the force and gone up right up under them. Wow. That's the vibe. I'm always tell them say you can't run from them smoke here, you know. Them smoke here smoke away. Oh God man, you know the thing. You know the thing. She know the thing, no joke. This is some expensive cologne. She know the right words how to put them together. Expensive cologne. Right away. More bucket. Whoa. More bucket. Yeah man. A legit thing this is a I don't know how to play thing, you know. Whoa. Yeah man, so she actually won the grand final for the 2018 punch. Yeah, for the 2019, sorry, the 2019. She's a champion, this is not look on right as a jerk boss that. She's a jerk boss on a plating. And I don't know, the St. Thomas run up right as of 2017. Yeah, this is not plating. So when the sister want to pull up right as so, you're actually getting legit chicken and pork. And not just somebody on the corner just a jerk. This is actually a legit champion, jerk champion. And they have to try out some of this crazy chicken and crazy pork. And we are going to try some soup. Some soup right now, a cool now. When the rice are cool long, it's blazing. But I'm going to check some of them chicken over here. So. Wow, these look so good already. Yeah man. Them are basically done already, man.
No,
and them are go on the grill.
Start it first.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to put it on the grill now.
Yeah, man. Finish up. You don't have to take the time, man. Ooh. Get them little caramelized texture. Oh, yes. Wow, can't run from them smoke.
Beer tonight. Beer in them smoke, yeah. Yes, man. Carrying from them smoke, yeah. Really. Yeah, man. Oh, you name Saraya?
Yeah.
I name Saraya. But Saraya. Okay. So she not like it when it jerk.
No, she like it and it's
Oh, nice. Yeah, man. So we're going to taste a little piece of this. Just call off. This is just with seasoning, just boil along with seasoning. It's call along with seasoning. Before this actually jerk up the right and proper way. Alright. Yeah, man, so we are going down in a piece of this, just coming from out of the pot. Just coming from out of the pot, we are going down in a piece of this. Right now. Yeah, man, the real way. Wow.
It's good?
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Respect. See that right there, so? So this no. Get that caramelized texture yet. This just boil long, as well as scald long with all of that seasoning and things. So we are gonna go down in a piece of this right now. Right here on the street side, see there? And a joke thing from the jerk boss herself. This just gone on the grill, can get a little final touch up. That little texture, caramelized texture, and get a little more browner. I don't think you can get no more browner than that, more darker than that, but that's some good tasting food right there. You can't eat that. You can't eat that just naturally, just like that. Yeah, man. I get pure tons of flavor and pure thing. This is skillet and I just eat. So this is the soup right here. We get all corn in this. Yo, that soup is rich. That soup is rich till it can't reach some more. No poor people soup. This is some rich soup. Yeah, man. I wanna mean rich as in money. Yeah, the really hard people them know what I talk about. Rich soup. Oh, the cow skin. See it here? See it here, man? Yeah, man, the skin, the corn. And we just some of the foot in this. And just pure goodness. We get all pepper in it. See there? The piece of stem there push up. Pretty white, but this is scorching hot same way. But we are going down in it. On the color of this. It's on the color, it look like a curry soup. Let's check out the color of this. Wow. First touching of that, I tell you, say, we can know when something is actually good, great. This is some good soup. This is some good soup. This is some good soup we're going into. I don't know yet. I don't know say hard life I'm going with couple more cups of this. A few more cups I have to bring in. No joke. The flavor. This is not spicy also. It is not spicy. Slightly. It's barely getting that little touch of spice out of it, so it not kill you. And so you get all of that flavor instead of you there worry about your nose around or your tongue about off. You actually putting more time and effort into getting that flavor. Your taste buds them add react more to the flavors than the spice. Man, and she touch up some chicken over there, but they are going to mash down this. Soup is so amazing. We'll try to get a piece of this cow skin. Is a young cow this? But them skin are so soft. Man! I wonder if you can see the bite on this. Look at this. I wonder if you can actually see the bite when I just make. Look at it. Literally just melting away. No cow skin in my mouth. No cow skin in my mouth. Literally just melt into thin air and belly. Whoa. Oh wow, the flavor of this is just amazing. Just one cup of goodness. One big cup
of goodness right here. I'll get the yam, also get the dumpling. Now this, not sure if it's spinners or dumpling, but whichever it is, you can't go wrong. Piece of yam look like a piece of dasheen or cocoa. It tastes similar in a way, but this is some rich soup right here, some golden. Golden, getting that chocho. No joke, I also got that can. No joking. This is some real good food. Yeah, man. Got this. Gold you find when you find them thing in a cup of soup, in a huge cup like this. You find gold. Yeah, man, that's how you say it. I have to really ask if it's a young cow dish. The skin so soft. Eh? Let's say, you want some of my soup? Just like that. This huge cup of soup done. Done. Clean. No joke. Boy, Kerisa really did it with this one. Tell her. All the pepper. Everything gone off by pepper. Everything gone off by pepper. I stem alone left. That's the vibe, man. Empty cup. Empty. Good soup. Really good. Come try it. Boy, a soup they got demolished. Got demolished in a seconds. Yeah, man. See that chicken coming on nice. The pork over that side. I take time come down to I go and get caramelized, you know. But this is some real good food, some real good soup. Yeah, man. The vibes. Alright, where's the soon can I eat? Just like that? Them side there? Whoa. So now I get best of both worlds. That's how we call it. From the shop to right here in White Horses on the street side. This is how she do her thing. Just catch her here on the weekends. This is no joke. No thing. This is how she do. She actually cooked during the day at the shop out in Morant Bay and actually leave in the evening to come on the street side. Yeah, man, on the weekends. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Catch her here. I'm going to pin the exact location so on the campus. But it's no joke. But I guarantee you won't be disappointed if you check out the cook shop out in Morant Bay, and the worst won't be disappointed if you actually stop at this spot on a Friday, on a weekend. Yeah, man, to check out some, to actually try some of the jerk. Yeah, man, see the pork over there, so I go and take time, bubble down, see what I go on. Yeah, man, color take time, come on. See me, man. See the man. This is no joke. Ooh. Is that ready now? Ready. Yeah, man, that one here no pork ready. Yes, man. Go down to the super ready at time. Go down there some pork and the chicken. Chicken need a few more minutes before them get fully ready. And then we'll go down into that. Yeah, man. Yeah, get that piece. Oh, this a good man. Go down somewhere in the pork again. We actually taste piece before this. It was this caramelized before it was this dark. Yeah, man.
Girlie, man. Oh my God. I don't know things. Real deal. Yeah, man. Is that the homemade? Which one this? Tell me which one that one.
Girlie sauce.
This one are the girly sauce. Oh wow.
So see it in the supermarket.
Oh yeah? Will someone see it?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Alright. It's like vibe and a play thing. Yeah man, crazy vibes here on the street. Yeah man. So I go down in the port right now. We test out that soup already. We're going to the port right now. But now and the chicken them over there, I get some little final touch up and thing. I have to go down in the port in the meantime. Yeah man. Let me tell you, this pork is amazing. We actually just taste piece of the skin, and this is no joke. Really and truly, this is no joke. And we are take some of the sauce now. This is the girly sauce, and we tell them we soon get this in the supermarket. That's what she said. We are listening out for that, and we are look out for that. But touch up some girly sauce on this. You can actually taste the difference. You can taste the difference when this cup on the grill after it come out of the grill. Literally. Oh yeah. Bless up yourself, youth. Big up. Oh God. If you guys didn't miss out, please just stop at this spot. And I tell you, you won't be disappointed. This is some real deal. Jerk with love. All that seasoning, that yard seasoning, carrot and thing. This is the vibe. We are going to some chicken now. Oh yeah. Boy, I pork the crazy. More to bun off no girlie. More to bun up. But that pork was amazing. Can't wait to go down into this chicken. Crazy vibes. Oh yeah? Bless up yourself. Blessings, man. You want to come run? Come say hi to the camera, man. Oh yeah, say man. Big up yourself. What is your name? What's your name? Tell me your name.
Talk now. You want to say hi. Say hi. What's your name? Say John.
Shy? Big up yourself, man. Big up, you. Big up. Yeah, man. It's the vibe right here at the spot. Yeah, man.
No, you don't have to leave. Just go on at the corner. May I come? You don't have to wait that long. Just give me a minute or two. Skin.
What you so? No, that's what I made up wood. That's the ice cream.
Skillful with the knife, man. Oh, skillful, man.
All the leg me have ready.
First dose of chicken I got.
You want nothing funny time, Basha? Sauce?
Yes, Girlie. You don't know already.
You want pepper too?
No. Girly sauce.
it's just amazing how she move from one pan to the other. No plating. 2 pan she work one time with chicken, 1 with pork. Yeah man, back and forth.
1 with chicken, 1 with pork.
2 with chicken, 1 with pork. Yeah man, and a joke thing man, she work them. Yeah man, this is it right here. No joke, this is some crazy St. Thomas jerk chicken right here from the one and only Girlie. Yeah man. And as you can see the time, but I know it's basically a dust down right now. But we have good lighting, same way, so we're gonna mash down some food and it. We are in White Horses, St. Thomas. Crazy vibes. Yeah man. No need to fear. Chicken is here. Girlie's chicken jerk chicken is here. Yeah man, so we're gonna go in at this street before we even go in at some of the sauce, but that sauce tastes so good, and we actually get a little on the side right here for test again with the chicken itself. But now going at some of Yo, that meat had jump. One if you don't understand what I mean, that meat had jump. The first bite when I'm going at just the way how your teeth actually just meet with that meat. Or your teeth meet with the meat. Oh. Yo, this is the chicken that win the 2019 CB pan chicken competition. No joke, they're going a little of this sauce right now. This well sauce up. Well sauce up. Yo, this sauce is amazing. Oh yeah. We'll go down some more of this sauce. Let me taste some more of this sauce. It's no joke. Hold on. Yo, that sauce tastes like it with junkie. You see junkie and lead you to do some good things. Yeah. You see junkie and make you do the right things. Oh god. Oh man. This is some amazing chicken right here. Crazy python. Right at this spot that you see her. She started right here. More than 10 years ago. Yeah man. And she started with chicken back. She started off with chicken back. And she there have bunks chicken. May I tell her, people pulling up from all angles. It might not be busy now, but we're there from early. This is the early starting night. This is the starting night, but we have to forward before the crowd come test out the first batches will come off at the heat. I'll go down to the soup. Super delicious. We'll go down to the pork. Super delicious. And now this chicken, bouncy. Yeah man, no joke. And this sauce, bouncy. I was missing out on Girlie's chicken, but now I miss out again. We pull up at the restaurant out in Morant Bay, and we actually left from there, so eat some stew peas and some stew beef, and with some rice and peas and white rice, and actually leave from there and forward here in White Horse. And you see how we get the best of both worlds, inside and outside. People are pull up, no joke. You know, vibes. So just forward, check out some of Girlie's chicken and pork and soup right here in White Horses. And definitely make sure you pull up in Morant Bay and check out some of that real authentic cooking, that goodness from inside of the kitchen as well. Yeah man, the vibes. Everything. These are the special.
Look at the Girlie sauce.
Yeah man, that one they fully loaded. Everything upon that fully loaded.